Looking to make smoothies, shakes, or meal preps in seconds? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best Nutri Blenders of the year. These are powerful, compact machines that make healthy living easy. Before we blend things up, subscribe, because only subscribers will get notified about the next video. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Bullet Blender. Starting our list at number 5 is the Hamilton Beach Bullet Blender, a solid and affordable choice for quick blends. It features a compact 300W motor, perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and dressings. The one-touch blending design makes it easy. Just push, blend, and go. Despite its small size, it handles fruits, greens, and ice surprisingly well. The travel cup fits in most car holders. If you want a straightforward blender that gets the job done each morning, the Hamilton Beach Bullet Blender is the right option. Number 4. Philips HR260-390. At number 4, the Philips HR260-390 is sleek, powerful, and designed for everyday convenience. This compact blender uses a 350W motor but performs well, easily blending smoothies, dips, and even crushed ice. The ProBlend technology ensures a smoother mixture, while the 2-speed setting allows you to control the texture. It's also very easy to clean. The blades and jars are dishwasher safe, which saves you time. For those who appreciate Philips's reliability and smooth blending performance, the HR260-390 is a compact powerhouse. Number 3. Kuvings Nutri Blender Pro. At number 3, the Kuvings Nutri Blender Pro is a top choice for anyone serious about nutrition and flavor. With a 1000W motor, this blender easily crushes seeds, nuts, and fibrous veggies, releasing maximum nutrients from every ingredient. Its auto blend mode detects the load and adjusts the speed for the ideal consistency. The premium Triton cups are BPA-free, durable, and perfect for on-the-go use. If you love fresh, nutrient-rich smoothies or homemade nut milk, the Kuvings Nutri Blender Pro gives you professional results in your kitchen. Number 2 are the Balzano Nutri Blender 1100W. At number 2, the Balzano Nutri Blender 1100W combines Italian design with strong performance. The 1100W motor quickly handles frozen fruits, seeds, and leafy greens, ensuring smooth results every time. It features stainless steel blades made for high-speed nutrient extraction, breaking down even tough ingredients. What sets it apart are its pulse and variable speed modes, giving you complete control for different recipes. From green smoothies to sauces, the Balzano 1100W manages it all with style and strength. It is an excellent choice for fitness fans and home cooks. Number 1. NutriBullet Pro 900W. At number 1, we have the classic that started it all, the NutriBullet Pro 900W. This blender combines simplicity, power, and reliability, making it one of the best-selling Nutri Blenders ever. The 900-watt motor and cyclonic blade design ensure your fruits, veggies, and seeds blend into a silky smooth texture in seconds. It's designed for everyday use, easy to clean, and very durable. Just twist, blend, and enjoy. Whether you love smoothies or enjoy meal prep, the NutriBullet Pro 900W sets the standard for quick, healthy blending. And there you have it, the top 5 best Nutri Blenders of the year, ranging from compact powerhouses to pro-grade performers. Like, subscribe, and let us know which one you would choose for your daily blends.